morning to everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the topic about SI units and its symbols. International System of Unit. SI is abbreviated form of French System International, is the modern form of metric system. SI is abbreviated form of the only system of measurement with official status in nearly every country. It comprises a coherent system of unit measurement. The system allows for an unlimited number of additional units called derived unit, which can always be represented as product of power of base unit, possibly with a non-trivial numeric multiplier. When that multiplier is 1, the unit is coherent derived unit. Length meter, the symbol is m. The first word of the meter is m, that is the symbol. If we take the scale, we can measure the distance in millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. That is the SI unit for length. Mass, kilogram. For simple, kg. Time, seconds, yes. This is the first word of work and energy is joule. The symbol is J. Electric current, ampere, and the symbol is A, the first word. Temperature, Kelvin, K, the symbol is K, this is the first word. Intensity of flame, candela, CD, the symbol is CD. Angle, radian, RAD, the first three letters, that is the symbol. Solid angle, steradian, SR, that is the symbol. Force, Newton, the symbol is N. Area, square meter, that is can be written as meter square. For volume, there is a three sides, length into breadth into height, so that cubic meter, SI into cubic meter, and the symbol is meter cube. For speed, meter per second, meter per second, that can be written as ms power minus 1. Angular velocity, radian per second, rad per second, that can be written as rad s power minus 1. For frequency, hertz, Hz. Moment of inertia, kilogram square meter, kg meter square, kilogram square meter, that can be written like this. Momentum, kilogram meter per second, the symbol is kg ms power minus 1. For impulse, Newton second, that can be written as n. For angular momentum, kilogram square meter per second, kg m square s power minus 1. For pressure, Pascal, PA, the symbol is PA. For power, watt, symbol is W. For surface tension, Newton per meter, that is Nm power minus 1. For viscosity, Newton second per square meter, the symbol is Ns m power minus 2. For thermal conductivity, the SI unit is watt per meter per degree Celsius. The symbol is W m power minus 1 C power minus 1. Electric charge, the SI unit is Coulomb. The symbol is C. For potential difference, the SI unit is volt, and the symbol is V. For electrical resistance, the symbol is ohm. For electrical capacity, SI unit is farad and the symbol is F. For magnetic induction, the SI unit is Henry and the symbol is H. For magnetic flux, the SI unit is Weber and the symbol is WB. For luminous flux or photometric power, lumen, the symbol is LM. For wavelength, Armstrong, that is A and small 0, the uppercase. Astronomical distance, light year, LY. Specific heat capacity, joules per kilogram per Kelvin. The symbol is J kg power minus 1 K power minus 1. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you.